Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change R6 to R15 avatar on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application. And first of all, we need to go to the avatar menu. Okay, go to the avatar and then you're going to go to the customize menu. And after you click on the customize menu, go to the build menu. It's right here. Go to head and body first and then select build. And then here you can choose between R6 and R15 avatars. And mine is already R15. So you just need to click on this option if you want to change it to R15 avatar. And yeah, that's very simple. Just go to customize, go to head and body, and go to build. Okay guys, and that's how you can change R6 avatar to R15 avatar on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.